Hi, Hendrik from RLKGroup here. You only have one option to test your goods without flying to China yourself. That is by using testing companies. Testing companies run laboratories, they have inspectors, they have everything to check your goods. The thing is, you need to give them all the information about your products. You need to give them all details, the packaging, everything you have, and they will check exactly what you give them. But exactly that is the problem. Let's take as an example a calendar. So you prepare the design of the calendar. Everything is fine, everything is perfect. However, there's one tiny little mistake in your design. This is something, it can be a typo, it can be a wrong number. A calendar design is difficult because everybody knows what is a calendar, everybody knows how it works. However, your mind knows after 10 comes 11, after 11 comes 12, but your designer does copy and paste and maybe he has 2 times 11. So now you have this design file with 2 times 11. You send this design file to the testing company. They send their inspectors to the factory. Everything is printed, everything is fine, everything is perfect. The colors match, the font matches, everything is exactly how you ever wanted it. But the month of, let's say, May has 2 times the 11th of May. The inspector will not see that as a problem because the file that you gave him is exactly as the print is. Therefore, the file and the print matches. Therefore, your quality control report will say, yes, it's a pass. Everything is great. Nobody's at fault here. The only person you can say who is at fault can be you because you gave the wrong file. Your designer prepared it wrong. You didn't check it. So this is where we come in. We can make sure that there's at least one more set of eyes checking your design in the first place. We did calendars in the past. We have standing customers for calendars. We know exactly where the problems are. We know the Chinese manufacturer will print the file as you give it to him. The quality control company will check the file and the print as you give it to them. We will, however, do it slightly different and think about, does the month of May, for instance, really have 2 times 11th of May, which is a really real-world example. We will make sure that that doesn't happen. Can you make sure that it doesn't happen without flying to China yourself? No, because the only chance you have is you can only hire an inspection company, and the inspection company will check the data that you give them and not the data how it should be. So talk to us if you have questions.
Still losing sleep over ordering office supplies from China? Let RLKGroup do the heavy lifting. If you want more insider sourcing secrets and industry tips, smash that subscribe button, follow us, and ring the little bell. Catch you next time.